Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 85 K30. We'll set the parking brake, see if that works for you. It does. Put her in neutral. Little belt squeal. You can see your oil pressure. It's a non-air truck. You can see the blinker there. Blinker there. Horn works. Blower motor works. Boy, I don't even know what they got going on the wipers. Maybe this. That's the washer. So, I'm betting this might be the wipers. Because they put this gauge in there where the wipers are, so I don't know 100% where a wiper switch is. That's the washer. So, brake controller. Said got aftermarket gauges. You can see the tack working there. Dome light works. And we'll take a look at the lights. There's your headlights. Got a Holly carb on it. Standard exhaust. Hydro boost because it's a 1 ton and for the power steering. They run pretty quiet. There's your marker lights. Except for what we got to figure out what the wiper situation is, which it could be these wires right here. Everything works. So any questions? 605-695-7391.